Removing the glove box is pretty easy. First thing you got to do is open it up. You can tell right here where it catches on both sides. Those need to come off first, so you have to kind of push the glove box, the inside of the glove box, in that way. There's no easy way of doing it. You just got to kind of force it. There, so that one's off. And that one's off. Okay, it's good. So once you get that done, you can grab this shock absorber right here and pull it that way to unsnap it from there. And just kind of leave it there. That's it. Then you just tilt it down and it comes off. At this point you can remove that and save it for when you go and reinstall it. If you need to remove the frame of the glove box, then get yourself a Phillips screwdriver, and first thing we got to do is take off all those screws attaching it in place. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just take those off. Once you take off all those screws, there's another screw back here behind this trim piece, so you have to take that off. So grab yourself your panel removal tool and just pry this out from a corner or something, just like that. Just be careful you don't break it. Let's take that off, put that to the side. You can take off that screw. Another screw. Then finally, with a panel removal tool, remove this little cover right here. You can just grab it from there. It comes off easily. Done. Grab yourself some needle nose pliers and pinch this little brown clip right here. That's just holding a cable. That cable right there is held in place by that brown clip, so just pinch it and push it through. That. Okay, we're almost ready to pull it out. However, I want you to keep in mind that there's a light right here, so once you pull it out just a little bit, we're going to reach behind it and unplug the light. So pull it out. See the light's right here, so all we have to do is unplug it. And that's it. Now you fully remove the glove box and the frame that holds the glove box in place. While you have your glove box removed, you might as well check on the cabin air filter right there. So just grab the two little clips on both sides and pinch them and pull it. Replace if necessary. Mine needs to be replaced. It's pretty filthy. Thanks a lot for watching. If this was useful to you, support the channel by liking the video and subscribe to see my future content. Take care.